Come test drive the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.